Hello, everyone! Welcome to our first English-minded long learning video. Here, I will ask you questions and give you 3 options. Your job is to guess the right answer. After that, I'll show you the correct word and give you an example sentence. So, let's get started. Which one is a food? A. Tomato. B. Pizza. C. Milk. Correct answer. Pizza. Example sentence. I love eating pizza on weekends. Which one is a vehicle? A. Bicycle. B. Chair. C. Book. Correct answer, bicycle. Example sentence, she rides her bicycle to school every day. Which one is an animal? A. Dog. B. Table. C. Cloud. The correct answer is dog. Example sentence. The dog is barking loudly. Which one is a color? A. Red. B. Apple. C. Train. The correct answer is red. Example sentence, her dress is bright red. Which one is a fruit? A. Mango. B. Car. C. Computer. The correct answer is mango. Example sentence, I like mango juice in summer. Which one is a sport? A. Football. B. Pen. C. Television. The correct answer is football. Example sentence, they play football in the park. Which one is a place? A. Library. B. Tiger. C. Banana. The correct answer is library. Example sentence, I borrowed a book from the library. Which one is a job? A. Water. B. Pillow. C. Doctor. Correct answer, doctor. Example sentence, the doctor helps sick people. Which one is a drink? A. Tea. B. Shoes. C. Tree. Correct answer, tea. Example sentence, she drinks tea every morning. Which one is a season? A. Winter. B. School. C. Ball. Correct answer, winter. Example sentence, I like winter because it is cool. Great job, everyone! You just practiced English vocabulary with fun questions and examples. How many did you get correct? Write your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe English Minded for more fun English learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye!